waiting for. CJ, you can wait 2 fucking seconds. The corn chocolate muffins.
Oh my goodness.
We open it gently. Ever so gently. Hold on. This is Betty Grovenstein. Betty Grovenstein. My big Jewish body needs some lovin'. My nipples are as hard as a rock. I gotta go because we're videotaping the most historic moment in history. I'll be right back. I love you. I'll be right back. I love you. Now, where were we? Anyway. Alright. We open the muffin. Ever so cautiously. Ever so cautiously. Ready? Ah, my brain! Ah, bleeding! Alright, now, we taste the first corn chocolate muffin in history. Tastes like shit.